Hi guys, Primrose here and welcome back to my channel. A while back I started building my trailing plant collection and I do not have a lot of trailing plants yet, but I thought I wanted to make an update. So we are looking at my kitchen windowsill, and this is the north facing window, and here I have my neon pothos. So this used to be in the middle of the room on top of my bookshelf, but this plant is so sensitive. It does not like to be away from the window. It's not like the green version. You overwater it sometimes, it's okay. You miss the watering for about 3-4 days, it's okay, but this plant is not the same. I lost a bunch of stems and leaves. It started to just turn yellow, and that's why I moved it here, and the yellowing of the leaves seems to stop now, so I think it is happy in this new space here for this plant. And then over here is my Monstera obliqua. So this is fairly new to my collection. I think I got this in December, and it is not trail yet, but hopefully it will. It is still a small plant, and it's been putting out these leaves, and I'm quite happy that the new leaves are larger compared to the old ones. So that means the plant is doing well. And so that's what I have here in my north facing window. And let me just show you my section here with my herbs. So I have a parsley there growing that I use for my cooking. So there you go, guys. These are the plants that I have here in my kitchen. And then moving on here, of course you have seen this many times already. So here I have two trailing succulent plants, and this is my Borisdale. I like this one a lot, though the leaves are very fragile. It gets a snap easily, and so I just put it back into the soil and see if it grows. And it's a slow growing plant compared to the pearl strings. That's another succulent plant. So that's what I have here. And then in here, guys, we are in my bathroom. So you might have noticed that all of my hanging plants are inside the ice cream tub, because this is our favorite ice cream. It's a soy ice cream, and it's like we accumulated them for the last 5 years, so that's why I have a lot, and I try to reuse them. So this is my heartleaf philodendron, and it's a new plant. It's still small. Hopefully it will grow and trail down. It would be very lovely. And then up there is my sleeping maranta plant. So as you can see, the leaves are flopping on the sides, but it's happy here. It gets high humidity in the bathroom, and over into this window here. Let me just get a good angle. So this is my uh, Boston fern, and on that side is my air plant, so that's my Spanish moss. So that's what I have hanging in my bathroom. And then over here, I'm sorry, it's a bit dark. Here is my trailing ivy, and it's very long now, and I think I have to trim back the stems there, because down here it's not getting any direct sunlight. And then let me just get up for you so I could give you a closer look. So this is my another succulent. It's not trailing. I'm not sure if this is a trailing kind, but I hope it is, and it will trail for me in the future. So this is new, and over here is a tiny trailing plant. It looks like a Pilea glauca, but I'm not so sure. And then over there I have some epiphyllum that I received from Chim in January, of Chim Nature Lover. I will try to post the link to her channel, because she's been posting videos of her epiphyllums in bloom, which are really, really beautiful, and I love it. And I have a bunch of succulents as well in here, and let me just point this out to you guys. So that's my Crassula perforata. And then when I posted my a very tall one over here, whether I have to cut it down because it's going tall, it's getting very tall, and a lot of you guys suggested that I should put it up as a trailing plant, and I never thought it could look that nice as a trailing plant, so thank you for suggesting. And actually this one, I wasn't sure if it was a bud, but then George said it was, and unfortunately I think I'm getting a bud blast there. So that's what I have here. This is a south facing window, by the way. And up there, I don't know if you consider it as a trailing plant, guys, but it's up there. That's my large spider plant. And then over here is my Pothos Enjoy. Again, this is another variety of pothos that does not like to be away from the window. And another trailing succulent. This is my Crassula rupestris, and all of these are lightweight. These are plastic, by the way, because my husband does not like me to poke any more holes on the walls, so I nailed that butterfly hook in there, hoping it's strong enough to support the weight of these plants here. I used to make macrame for my hanging plants. I have about, I think, 5. But I got lazy lately, so I braided that, and I got this idea from George of Treasures of Plants. I think I will post the link to that video down below if you're interested to learn how to do that. He posted a very detailed video of that. So this is another south-facing window. And moving on to this last window here. And of course, you have seen this a lot in my videos. This is my Hoya. And it keeps growing. So alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'm still in the process of getting more and still figuring out how to do that, since I could not poke any more holes in our walls. So we'll see. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.